I am the greatest wizard known throughout all these lands. My magic is as powerful as the burning sun. They call me the Lion Wizard. I'll be demonstrating some of my awesome, epic spells. Prepare yourself for my overwhelming magic. We'll start with the easiest known spell to every wizard. That is Fireball, Wind Blast, Ice Blast. The next will be, Kai Blast? Yeah, that's right, Kai Blast. Now, for my most overpowering spell yet. Lightning Strike! That will be all for today, but join me next time as I destroy more things with my magic.
Hey guys, thanks for watching, and if you want to see some more videos, I will be making more Black Desert Online videos. Just subscribe somewhere over here and there and there and there. And if you don't, I will destroy you with my magic!